Muling kinilala ang galing ng Kapuso Show's personalities at hosts sa 7th Gawad La Sallaneta sa De La Salle Araneta University. Most Outstanding Male News Anchor si State of the Nation Anchor Atom Araulio na itinanghal ding Hall of Famer bilang Most Outstanding Male Documentarist. Si 24 Oras Anchor Mel Tiangco ang Most Outstanding Female News Anchor. Most Outstanding Male News Correspondent naman si JP Soriano. Most Outstanding Morning Show ang unang hirit, habang Most Outstanding Morning Show hosts ang UH Barkada na sina Arnold Clavio, Susan Enriquez, Shaira Diaz at Anjo Pertiera. Sa Public Affairs Most Outstanding Documentary ang Eyewitness. At ang isa sa host nitong si Howie Severino, ang Most Outstanding Male Documentarist. Most Outstanding Female Documentarist si Maki Pulido ng Reporter's Notebook. Hall of Famer din bilang Most Outstanding Female Documentarist si Cara David. At kapuso mo Jessica Soho bilang Most Outstanding Magazine Show. Most Outstanding Magazine Show host naman si Jessica Soho. Kinilala ang Wish Ko Lang bilang Most Outstanding Public Affairs Show at ang host nitong si 24 Oras Anchor Vicky Morales, ang Most Outstanding Public Affairs Show host. Most Outstanding Educational Show ang Born to be Wild. Panalo rin ang entertainment programs ng GMA, Most Outstanding Teleserye ang Pulang Araw, Most Outstanding Comedy Show ang Pepito Manaloto at Most Outstanding Comedian si Michael V. Most Outstanding Competition Show ang Family Feud, habang Most Outstanding Competition Show host si Kapuso Primetime King Dingdong Dantes. Sa radyo, Most Outstanding Digital Radio Station ng Super Radio DZBB, habang Most Outstanding Male FM DJ si Papa Dudut ng Barangay LS 97.1. Sa pelikula, si Kapuso actor at Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards ang Most Outstanding Film Actor para sa pelikulang Hello, Love Again na nagwagiring Most Outstanding Filipino Film. Habang Most Outstanding Brand Endorser si Kapuso Global Fashion Icon Heart Evangelista.
Huwag magpahuli sa mga balitang dapat niyong malaman. Mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube.